Hello friends, I am Amir Nizami and today we are going to study the analytical solution and numerical solution, that what these terminologies are. So let's start. So there we heard about many types of solutions. So first we always hear that this solution is exact, this solution is analytical, this solution is numerical, approximate solution, closed form solution. So let's see one by one what is this mean, what this definition gives. So let's start with the exact solution. So an exact solution of a problem is one that satisfies the governing equations at every point. So the exact solution is one where the governing equation satisfies the governing equation at each and every point. So governing equations at every point of the domain and boundary and the initial conditions of the problem. So if we have any beam or any plates, so at each and every point the governing equations and the boundary conditions should get satisfied. So those solutions are the exact solutions. Now an exact solution can be either closed form or infinite series. So an exact solution or any exact solution can be either closed form or infinite series. So what is the closed form solution? Let's start. So closed form solution are those that can be expressed in terms of a finite number of terms. So what is a closed form solution? It states that those solutions that can be expressed in terms of finite number of terms. Finite numbers 10, 5, 6, any finite term. So we can see that if a solution or some suppose a displacement values which is a function of x is given, so it is given with 2 minus x plus 3x squared plus 4 sine n pi x. So these are the finite terms. Okay, so u of x is given with these finite number of terms. So the solutions we get from this is the closed form solutions, where the terms are finite. A solution in the form of a convergent series u of x is such that n equals to 1 to n 1 to infinity summation a n sine n pi x. So it is in summed up to infinite, means infinite number of terms are there. We can see infinite, so it must be considered up to infinity. So there is no finite terms. Infinite terms, a lot of terms are there. So a solution in the form of convergent series is not a closed form. It is not a closed form solution because number of terms in series is not finite. So it is the infinite series or infinite. So it gives the exact, it also gives the exact solution, but the series are infinite. So since the series solution in reality is evaluated for a finite number of terms, we know that we always evaluate those series solution for some finite numbers, and maybe a very large terms. It may be 1000 or 10,000, but these terms are finite. Okay, it's very large term, but even though it is finite, not infinite, so we can say that the finite, it is some finite terms but a very large number of terms. So series solution in reality is evaluated for a finite number of terms. It is in a sense approximate. It roughly, we can say, it gives approximate. The finite sum series will be termed as analytical solution. This finite number of terms, when we are integrating summing with 1 to number of n terms, so this would be termed as analytical solution. This is termed as analytical solution. Although it is approximate because not all terms of the series in equation 1 are included in equation 2. So equation 1, we can see this was the equation 1 where infinite terms were there, and in equation 2 we have taken the n terms, not infinite. So this, for all practical purposes, it is exact. We will assume that it gives exact solution. The analytical solution is exact for all the practical purposes, because we know that we cannot sum up to infinite. So a very large number n, we will assume that it gives for that terms as an exact solution. So this is the definition of the analytical solution here. Now the numerical solution. So what is the numerical solution? A numerical solution is one that is obtained by satisfying the governing equation and boundary conditions of the problem in an approximate sense. It also satisfies the governing equation and boundary conditions of the problem, but in an approximate sense. It is the approximate sense. Okay. So not at each and every point, but in an approximate sense, average sense, it will satisfy that. So the solutions obtained by any of the variational methods and numerical methods such as finite difference, finite element, and boundary element methods are termed as numerical solutions. So any of the solutions which we obtained by the variational methods and the numerical methods such as finite difference method, finite element method, and the boundary element methods are termed as numerical solution. All these gives us the numerical solutions. These gives us the numerical solutions, which is an approximate solution. It always gives the approximate values. Okay, so these are the terms which we have learned here in this lecture. Thank you.